Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video, but first I want to welcome all the new viewers, and I hope you guys consider hitting that subscribe button down below to join me on my debt-free journey, to become debt-free. Some of the things that have been hindering becoming debt-free is my obsession with stickers. I am currently in a sticker challenge. We are in, what week is this one? This is the third week where we are budgeting or planning with sticker set from other planner babes that are involved. And these are all of the planner babes involved in this challenge for this month. But I truly enjoy my sticker kits. I had a subscriber, I'm assuming she was a subscriber, but I had a comment from, well, it was a comment, and it said how they liked me going back to old school or pen and paper type of budgeting. Now, I just started budgeting this year, so I've kind of always used a sticker kit. And for me, a sticker kit helps because I'm already mentally exhausted from work. My work is a very mental job, not necessarily physical, but mental. And I like not having to really think about my bills more than what I have to. So the sticker kits really help me in that aspect. So this challenge for April is a bit of a true challenge because I am coming up with small decorative ideas to keep me motivated to continue to want to budget in there, which I'm fine budgeting, but it can be a bit exhausting at sometimes, you know, at least for me. So either way, long story short, I have some stickers from Miss Caffinated Cait. I saw Lola, and she's a YouTuber as well, haul some stickers from Caffinated Cait, and I think from another Cait, Planner Cait, I think. And I was like, oh yes, I have got to try the Caffinated Cait. You know, you hear about Caffinated Cait all the time. So I bought the May budget kit, and that's this here. Here's some freebies that you get, and I think these are super cute. Some water and payday, no spend, and all this other nice stuff. And then of course you get a little card that says thank you, and you can use 15% off for future purchases. And I'm pretty sure she wouldn't mind anybody else using it. You know, just make sure you give us some good feedback. Now, I did open it already off camera because I was so excited when I got them. The quality looks superb in my opinion, and I haven't even used them yet. But I did get May budget stickers because I was going to use them at the top for each week, and there are 5 weeks. Those of you who don't know, there are 5 weeks, therefore there'll be 3 checks or 5 checks for those of us who get paid weekly. So I bought those because she didn't have this sheet to order. It's a paycheck 1 and paycheck 2, you know, kind of what I do when I budget for the week. Actually, she's got up to 6 here. Lord, I wish there was 6 paychecks, but either way, I asked in the comments if she would so kindly make these or consider making them in the future, and she graciously, and thank you so much, Caffinated Cait, if you're watching. I am truly going to enjoy these, truly. Okay, and then this one is actually, it says May 2019, and I did buy this for my header, if I'm not mistaken, and the rest are just the budget ones. And it is this beautiful peach color. Now, I don't think my camera is doing these colors justice because these are gorgeous colors. This is for our spreadsheet tracker, which is basically our transaction log, I would assume. I don't know if there's another one that says transaction log, but it has a washi header and the date, the description, the category, and all that stuff. Guys, these are so beautiful. I'm even going to use the bill due stickers. In all the previous kits, I have not used the bill due stickers because I have my own personalized bill due stickers that I got from Lexington Flair. who does really good quality too. But these, I just feel like they're so vibrant and beautiful that I actually really want to use them. So she's got some payday stickers down here that I'm probably going to use too, even though I have the corners ones. And it looks like she's got a few dots here. So, and then it has like auto pay. So you got two categories. You got just the bill due, and then you got bill due auto pay. So that's super cute. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 of each. So this is plenty for me because unfortunately we have 19. Luckily we don't have more than 20. Is it that 20 that I said? Okay. So next is the overview, or the month at a glance, I should say. This is the Sunday through Saturday month at a glance, and I'm even going to use these beautiful dates that she has here, and she even has it all the way through January 1, 2, 3. Well, I don't know why she has more numbers here. I don't know, maybe to kind of, I'm not really sure, but they're still super cute in my opinion. And this is probably where I'll put this May 2019 on top. So the next ones, because there are 5 weeks, so this was a little bit more expensive than I would normally buy, but I did get 5 of the income sticker kits. I guess if you just want to do straight income and whatnot, this would be the kit you would buy. She even has some to cover up the little flags that are on there. She has the income, variable expenses. Now I've always had just the one and put all of my expenses together, so I'm excited to see how I'm going to work this out. But I did get 5, so that's 1. They're so beautiful though. Look at the vibrancy. It's just, it's amazing how detailed and vibrant you can see the colors in here. It's so pretty. The next I got was the thick washi. I want to say, was this the thin washi? Okay, this is the thin washi, just for decoration for the rest of the is this thin washi too? Lord, there's a lot of washi in this stuff, so I'm super excited about that. And then I got the sinking funds sheet. Oh, okay, well here's a transaction log, so maybe I'll use this instead of the spending log. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. All I know is they're beautiful, and Lola showed them and I love them. So here we have like I said, I did dive into this, and this one was the goals sheet. And let me show you what I mean. Here at the beginning of the planner you have, oh, by the way, I think I had a couple people ask me about my name here because I have ugly handwriting in cursive. I got this from Plannerlogy. She actually made me a customized kit, and anybody can get the customized kit. And I think this one is actually on the website of her Etsy shop. And it just has, oh sorry guys, it just has separate stickers with my name on it, and just some other things she put up here. Even this brained up, I need this, I need to use that. But these are just for my other, matter of fact, I think I already used one in my social media planner. Yeah, see, I got it right there, and it looks just so nice. Did I put one in my meal plan planner? I did, but I needed whiteout to go over that. And I have other colors here that I can use, so I'm super excited. So you guys should check that out. And that is Plannerlogy right here. That's hers. But let's go back to Caffinated Cait. So the ones that I got were these here. Let me zoom you guys out. And I think those are so, the colors are so rich and vibrant, and they go along with the color scheme of the Erin Condren planners for this year. So I put in some of my goals for this year, but of course as the month goes on I will continue to write new goals down. So that's what that sheet was, this sheet here. All right, and now this is just what she uses to check and make sure everything's good. So the add-ons, the May singing funds was $3. And you guys can stop so you can take a look at how much the items were. I'm not going to read all of them, but you can see here and you can see here as well. And this is the total with the discount. And then here I just asked her if she could do maybe paychecks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 header script. I do budget videos on YouTube, and I would love to not necessarily feature her product, but have her product to use, and that would be very functional for me. So I did spend way more than I've ever spent on Etsy for a budget kit, but it's worth it. I'm so excited to dive right into May. So hopefully in the next week or so, we will be able to start setting up our May budget. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it's not too late to get any of these items if you're interested in it. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you so much for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time, bye.